Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be talking about lists. Lists are an essential way in which we organize and structure some content on our web page. In HTML, we have two main types of lists. We have the ordered list and the unordered list. The ordered list is represented by an OL tag, while the unordered list is represented by a UL tag. Now, the unordered list displays a list of items in a specific order, usually numbers or letters, while an ordered list displays a list of items, usually with markers or bullets. Now, let's see a few examples of an ordered list and unordered list. So let's say we want to have a list of items. Let's say one list of items. So this is a better way of just writing it. Okay, so let's say this is list 1 and this is list 2. And this is list 3 and this is list 4. All right, so if we have a list like this, it is going to be displayed with numbers. Now let's see it in our browser. So we have, using OL, we have list 1 to list 4. And let's see how it's going to display. You can see that we have it here like this. It is displayed again. It is listed using numbers. So if we are using UL, how would it look like? Just like I explained earlier, UL displays items in a more casual way, maybe with bullets or with markers. So let's have the same thing in here. Let's just have this guy's cat. Instead of having to write it all over, so it's kind of the same thing. All right, so we have that for our UL, and this is how a UL is going to display. The OL is listed with numbers, and the OL is listed with numbers, while the UL is listed with just bullets. Now, there are other ways to do it. We can specify that we don't want it to be displayed as numbers. We want something else. Maybe we want an alphabet or a Roman numeral. So we just add a type inside the OL tag and they will specify. So I could use letters in smaller cubes. And the numbers becomes letters, just like this. And I could also choose that I do not want lowercase, I want it in uppercase. And I change it to that and this becomes uppercase. In the same way, I could even use a Roman figure instead, maybe in lowercase. So we look like this. And then if I also want it in uppercase, I'll just include it here. And then it's going to be listed in uppercase, like this. If you want it to be listed with numbers, you do not need to specify here because the default display of an ordered list is numbers. So if you want a number, you don't need to specify. But if you want something else, maybe alphabets or the Roman numeral, then you need to specify. So the same way we have for OL, we also have for UL. We can specify that we don't want this circle. We don't want this small one. We want something else. So we could use square. Then by using square, this becomes square instead of the round shape. And we can also change it to circle instead of square. Can use circle and then this becomes a circle. like this. We can also change it to, okay, disk. Now this disk is the default for UL. Just like numbers is the default for OL, this is the default for UL. So if you want disk, you don't need to put it as a type. Just put your UL and then put in the list. Now you can change it as well to none. Maybe you don't want any list at all. You just want it blank like that. So you can just use none. So these are the two types of lists in HTML: the ordered list and the unordered list. I'll see you guys in the next video.